Okay, I've got a simple workout today. One of my subscribers said, "Hey Tom, give me an off-court workout." Okay, squats number 1, then I'm going to do lunges number 2, I'm going to do Supermans number 3, and then a kettlebell press number 4. I'm going to do 5 sets. And this is a nice workout. I mean, you do this and you're gonna get some gains from it, okay? I particularly like the squats and lunges because it gives you that dynamic stretching, and which is always great for your tennis. So on your squats, I use this little elevation here from my heels, and I use the band to keep my arms back. So now I'm just going to go down from here, trying to keep the head up, the chest up. Now you're going to do 20 squats, and you're going to go deep. Okay, so then you're going to do 5 sets. Now, I'm going to go to the next exercise, but in total you're going to do 5 sets. That way you've done 100 squats. It's a good workout. Okay, next you're going to do lunges. I use this step up here, and what I'm trying to do is get a nice stretch. I'm going to let that knee go forward, and I'm getting a nice stretch here in the Achilles, and I'm also getting a nice stretch in the hip flexors here, and I'm just going to work this . So you're going to do 10 on each side, so a total of 50 when you do the 5 sets. Next exercise, Supermans. Okay, so you're down on all 4s. You're going to put one arm out like this and one leg, the opposite leg, out there, and you're going to hold that for 1 minute. Okay? Now this is working the back of your core. You want to work both sides. So you're going to hold that for a minute, then you're going to go to the other side and hold that for a minute. Next exercise, kettlebell press. Okay, kettlebells are also great for your core. So what I've got here, it's not a real heavy one. I got a 20-pound kettlebell, and You know, spread your feet a little more than shoulder width. Get the bell up to a press position, and then from here, press 10 times. Okay, what that does when you're pressing, right now I'm using my right hand, the left side of my core is activating, so I can keep good balance as I go up. And then when you're doing the left side, your right side is going to activate. So you're doing the front of the core, plus you're working your shoulders. Stand tall. All right, so 5 sets of those. It's a great workout. And remember, do some stretching after you work out, some light stretching. You don't have to go crazy with it, but stretch out a little bit. Do your basic stretches. All the best. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up and a like. Take care.